Hello and welcome to this video on how to transition into a DevOps role without prior experience in tech. If you're interested in a career in DevOps but don't have any prior experience in the field, don't worry. It is possible to make the transition. And in this video, we'll discuss the 10 most important strategies that you need to do to make it happen. Let's go over them one at a time. 1. Develop an understanding of DevOps concepts and principles. Start by gaining a deep understanding of DevOps concepts and principles. Completing this course has already fulfilled this for you, so that is a tick on the box right there. 2. Start building technical skills. It's important to build your technical skills and knowledge after all the prerequisites you have gained from this course. You will need to focus on areas such as scripting, automation, and configuration management. Get your hands dirty on tools such as Ansible and Terraform. Familiarize yourself with cloud infrastructure. Learn to work with Linux operating systems. The more technical knowledge and skills you acquire, the better prepared you'll be ready for a career in DevOps. 3. Gain hands-on experience. Once you've built your technical skills, start gaining hands-on experience. Work on projects. Diary.io has sets of projects that can take you from ground zero and all the way up. This will allow you to practice the tools you have started learning. 4. Network with industry professionals. Networking is an important part of any career transition. Attend industry events, meetups, and conferences to connect with professionals in the field. Join online forums and participate in discussions related to DevOps. Make sure to have a solid LinkedIn profile that showcases your skills and experience. And reach out to recruiters or professionals in the field for advice and guidance. 5. Be mentally and emotionally ready. Transitioning into DevOps will require a significant investment of time and effort. So be prepared to commit yourself to learning. It's also important to be mentally available and open to new experiences. 6. Be ready to teach others as you learn. One of the best ways to learn is by teaching others. Find opportunities to share your knowledge with others. 7. Build a portfolio on GitHub. A portfolio of your work is essential for showcasing your skills and experience to potential employers. As you learn new DevOps tools and techniques, make sure to add your projects to your portfolio on GitHub. 8. Be willing to learn continuously. The field of DevOps is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest tools and techniques by continuing to learn and experiment with new things. Never get tired of learning. Learning new things is exciting anyway, so why not? 9. Take advantage of online resources. There are a wealth of online resources available for learning DevOps, including blogs, forums, and online courses. Make the most of these resources to accelerate your learning. 10. Make the best use of what Diary.io has to offer. Diary.io is a great resource for learning DevOps skills through a project-based learning approach, with access to social learning, personalized feedback, and mentors. Take advantage of the platform's resources and support to accelerate your learning and build your skills. In conclusion, transitioning into a DevOps role without prior experience in tech requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. Keep these 10 things in mind as you embark on your journey into the exciting and rapidly growing field of DevOps. I hope this has been informative to you. I will see you in the next video.